How can I understand photosynthesis for my biology exams? Imagine a plant as a tiny factory that turns sunlight into food. That process is called photosynthesis, and it is how plants make their own energy. To really get it, start by knowing that photosynthesis happens inside special parts of plant cells called chloroplasts. These are mostly found in the leaves, especially in the cells of the mesophyll layer. Inside the chloroplasts, there is a green pigment called chlorophyll. This pigment is what captures sunlight, which is essential for the process to work. The basic chemical equation for photosynthesis is 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water, with light energy, produce 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. Think of it as a recipe. 6 carbon dioxide, 6 water, and sunlight combine to make sugar and oxygen. This process is vital because it provides the foundation for most life on Earth by producing oxygen and food. Photosynthesis has 2 main stages. The first is called light-dependent reactions. These happen in the thylakoid membranes inside the chloroplasts. When chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, it energizes electrons, which then help split water molecules into oxygen, protons, and electrons. The oxygen is released into the air through tiny pores on the leaves called stomata. The energy from sunlight is stored into molecules called ATP and NADPH, which act like batteries for the next stage. The second stage is called light-independent reactions, or the Calvin cycle. These take place in the fluid surrounding the thylakoids, called the stroma. Using the energy stored in ATP and NADPH, the plant converts carbon dioxide into glucose. This part of photosynthesis does not need sunlight directly, but it depends on the energy produced in the first stage. It's also helpful to understand some key terms. Stomata are tiny pores on the leaf surface that let gases in and out. Water is transported from roots to leaves through xylem tissue, and sugars are moved from leaves to other parts of the plant through phloem tissue. To master this for your exams, try drawing diagrams of the chloroplast and labeling each part. Visualizing the process step by step helps you remember how each part works together. Memorize the chemical equation and understand what each molecule represents. Think about how environmental factors like light intensity, carbon dioxide levels, and temperature affect the rate of photosynthesis. Connecting this process to how plants grow and how energy flows in ecosystems makes it easier to see its importance. By breaking down the process into these simple parts and understanding the roles of each component, you will be able to explain photosynthesis clearly and confidently in your exams. Remember, understanding the process is more important than just memorizing facts. Keep practicing, and you'll do great.